Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to connect object in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply step 1, step 2 and step 3. Okay, then first of all, apply step 1. Select one object and object 2. Hold Ctrl or Shift. Select two objects. Then again hold Ctrl. Right click on your mouse. See this link layers or merge layers. Use same work. Example, see this layers link and unlink, hold control, again right click, unlink, again right click on your mouse, merge layer, use on layers. And step 2, see the shape, hold control, okay, then adjust to hold control, press control E, adjust. And step 3, use only vector shape. Okay, use vector, select shape and click use combine shape or unit shape. Example, combine shape, then hold shift. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.